Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then it'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here that you actually have no H1 headings. So the H1 is like the main heading on your website. In your case, it would go either here in place of this or even over here. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. And then the other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So the metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Sonoma County Landscaping. It's all these little blue lines here. These are the metadata. So you can see here that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County Landscaping. And you can see that he's the top guy because he's talking about what I'm Googling for. So when you pull yours, you're not really found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County plumbers or anything like that. So if you go ahead and look at your title page actually says Equinox Landscape, Sustainable, Ecological Landscaping and Gardening, we're in Sonoma. But basically, nobody's going to Google anything like that. Like, nobody's going to Google Equinox Landscape. But I bet you if they did, you'd be at the top position. But obviously, nobody's going to Google that because they're not going to know to Google that when they're looking for landscaper. They're going to Google a keyword like Sonoma County Landscaping, Sonoma County Landscaper, Sonoma County Landscaping Architects, a similar keyword like that. Those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you with your rank. And then also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google. Sometimes people will start Googling their company keyword, and as you keep doing that for a couple of weeks, Google starts moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. You always want to use a third-party tool. I like to use Rank Tracker. You're free to get a free subscription for a month if you'd like. But anyway, this actually tracks your keyword and it tracks it every day. So you'll see here, I pulled up your URL and then I added keywords and I went ahead and added your company name just so you can see that you're ranking #1 for that. But again, nobody's going to Google that. They're going to Google these kind of keywords. And right now you're ranking on the bottom of page, or top of page 4, page 5, page 8. So not so great, but we can definitely help you with that. And this will really change pretty fast if you just go ahead and add your H1 and your metadata based on whatever your keyword is. This will really change. And then I liked your website, but there's quite a few things I think I could fix for you, make it more appealing. But most importantly, to get you ranked on the first page of Google, which would really increase your income because that's where really 90% of traffic is. Most people just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you onto the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time and I wish you much success.